Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare a special temple style puliyogare with homemade puliyogare paste. Masala powder for puliyogare. In a pan, dry roast 2 tablespoons of dhania seeds, 1 tablespoon of pepper seeds, few fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Let's know the benefits of black sesame. Sesame seed is good for hair and skin health. Black sesame seeds are known to help with blood circulation. Sesame seeds leads to regular periods and relieves menstrual pains. Dry roast these ingredients until it is slightly golden. It's perfectly roasted. Now just transfer the ingredients into a mixer and make it into a powder. Let's make red chili powder. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 5 to 6 dry red chili. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is fried well, transfer it into a mixer and grind it without adding any water. Just set this chili powder aside. Roasted peanuts. Just in 1 tablespoon of oil, roast the skin peeled peanuts. Fry them until it becomes crispy. It gives a good taste to our puliyogare. Transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. Let's make tempering. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, chana dal, 2 to 3 dry red chili, pinch of hing, saute them till it becomes slightly golden brown. Once it is done, transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. Tamarind paste. In a bowl, add the thick tamarind extract, pinch of turmeric powder, mix it well and let it come to a boil. When the tamarind water becomes thick enough, then we can add the roasted ingredients. Benefits of tamarind. Tamarind decreases LDL cholesterol and increases HDL cholesterol. It has antibacterial properties. Tamarind contains significant amounts of all the essential amino acids. Let's add masala powder, tempering, peanuts, red chili powder into the tamarind extract. Firstly, add the temperings. Mix them up. Add puliyogare powder. Always add the ingredients one by one. It gives a good taste. Now add red chili powder. Let it come to a boil. Add the gingerly oil as per your need. Gingerly oil gives a good taste to puliyogare. Salt to taste. Cook it until it becomes thick paste. Puliyogare paste is ready. You can even store this for 10 to 15 days and use them instantly whenever needed. You can store this puliyogare paste for 2 weeks, but don't forget to add more oil if you want to store it for a long time. Making of puliyogare. To the puliyogare paste, add the cooked rice. Make sure that rice is not sticky and it is not stick to each other. Sprinkle some raw curry leaves. Dry roasted peanuts. Mix them gently so that rice grains don't break up. The taste was really awesome and my family members enjoyed eating this puliyogare. Hope you like this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. For many more simple and healthy recipes, stay connected to Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.